Hi, I'm Russ. I've been a real estate investor for more than 25 years, and today I help agents unlock a very specific kind of opportunity, earning more commissions by helping everyday people improve their financial lives through residential real estate investing. More people would invest than you realize if someone simply showed them how, and every one of them becomes a potential repeat client. I'm not talking about chasing seasoned investors who drive hard bargains on distressed properties and leave you with tiny commissions. I'm talking about the untapped people you already know, and who already know and like you, who would be curious about investing if someone explained the basics, the benefits, and where the money comes from to get started. Anyone with a retirement account, home equity, and/or savings has the potential to become an investor. Friends, relatives, neighbors, new prospects, existing clients, and even casual acquaintances. Once you implement my method, you begin adding real value to their lives. They'll want to have conversations with you. The obstacle isn't a lack of resources, it's a lack of understanding and guidance. Most people simply don't know how to turn their equity or retirement accounts into rental properties. That's where you come in, with a clear, optimized system that shows them the way. First, introduce the advantages of rental real estate and how the money they already have can be used toward it. Then, guide them to the right properties in your market. Do that, and you don't just make a sale, you build loyal, repeat clients through mentorship. Unlike traditional buyers, who may not move again for many years, investors buy as often as they can, but only once they understand how real estate improves their lives and that their equity and savings can transform into properties that generate even more equity, income, and opportunity. Here's the reality. Teaching the basics takes hours. You need to run the numbers, show examples, and calm fears about being a landlord, often by introducing them to a trusted property manager who makes owning properties nearly passive. Most people don't understand leverage, how putting down just 20% can give them access to 100% of the benefits. They don't yet grasp tax advantages, multiple property types, or the long-term wealth-building power of investing, and how each investment property they buy compounds their wealth and accelerates their growth. Teaching all this by yourself, one person at a time, is a huge time gamble. Many will be curious but need guidance to take action. That's where Opportunities Everywhere comes in. We make it simple. Professionally written, pre-built emails go out to your prospects automatically through your platform. MailChimp, HubSpot, whatever you already use. The emails intrigue, entice, and educate your contacts, keeping them looking forward to your next message. At any point, they can start the free training. The training is intentionally designed to teach just enough, so your prospects can have an intelligent, confident conversation with you while still leaving purposeful gaps that prompt them to reach out with questions. They'll want to know what opportunities exist in your market, what strategies work best for first-time investors, and how the numbers look where you operate. My videos can't cover every property, neighborhood, or market condition, which means those details naturally lead back to you. That's by design. And remember, investors aren't shopping for pretty houses. They're looking for strong investments. This allows you to introduce buyers to properties that might not appeal to traditional homeowners, but can perform exceptionally well as rental properties. Opportunities Everywhere teaches whomever you wish, one at a time, on their schedule, at their own pace. Whether you're a new agent with a small client list or a veteran with a full book, it works for you. You can start with anyone, your butcher, your baker, your candlestick maker, plus anyone who's already contacted you about buying or selling. This isn't about moving homes. It's about helping people grow wealth through an investment they may never have considered. Instead of worrying that you're bothering them, you're actually offering them something few agents ever do, a path to a healthier financial future. And for that reason, you'll stand above every other agent. People obsess about money all the time. If you can relieve their stress, you may become their trusted friend. As a subscriber, you can offer the training to an unlimited number of people, completely free. It requires none of your time. When someone opts in, they're taken to your personalized training page with your logo and contact info, so when they're ready to invest or have questions, they know exactly how to reach you. Then it's up to you to find the right deals and guide them to success, again and again. Opportunities everywhere prompts them along whether they're ready to invest or not, because eventually they may be. Easy to understand videos, worksheets, and brochures do the teaching for you. Your contacts can access the training anytime, so the system continues generating warm leads already familiar with the basics without you lifting a finger. Even if your area isn't ideal for investing right now, you can partner with agents in stronger rental markets and share commissions. Investors don't need to live near their properties. They just need the right guidance and reliable property managers. Looking back, I wish my early agents had done more than simply help me buy a home. I wish they had shown me how to unlock my home equity and retirement accounts to acquire additional properties, because I absolutely would have taken action. I wish they had proactively brought me clear, affordable investment opportunities instead of waiting for me to ask, because I was ready to buy more. They still reach out today to remind me how much equity I've built, and that's helpful. But guiding me toward the next property I could realistically purchase would be far more valuable for them and for me. That's the missed opportunity of the past, and the powerful opportunity you can seize right now for yourself and for your clients. You don't need an existing client base to start. Opportunities everywhere will help you build your own book of loyal clients. And if you have access to frequent buyers, competing for sales listings becomes even easier. If you're ready to stop leaving opportunities on the table and start turning contacts, old and new, into loyal, repeat clients, opportunities everywhere makes it simple. It teaches your prospects, builds your credibility, and generates warm leads, all while saving you time. It multiplies your ability to help people build financial independence while building your client list. Click the link to learn more. Don't wait. Your next client and your next commission could be just a click away. Give them what they really want, a way to live better. Doing so will help you build the kind of business you want